this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay payment not completed. First, check your wallet app and your bank or card account to confirm that the card is active, has sufficient funds or credit, and that all billing information including zip code and expiration date is correct. Next, make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch has stable internet or cellular connection and authenticate your payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If the payment still isn't completed, remove the card from the Apple Pay and re-add it to refresh the connection. Updating your device to the latest iOS or watchOS version can also fix temporary glitches. And finally, contact your bank or card issuer to ensure there are no holds, restrictions, or fraud alerts affecting your account. So that's it.